Mathematics is full of formulas and concepts we use in our daily lives, some according to our knowledge and others not so much. Well, let's clear up some concepts that we use unknowingly. The application of mathematics can range from the speed of the Earth on its own axis to the raging speed of a metro train. Speaking of trains, our topic for today is the Hong Kong Metro. The Hong Kong Mass Transit Railway System is the rapid transit railway system in Hong Kong. Its system boasts about four different metro lines which serve in different areas. The types of metro lines being Urban Line, which consists of 10 lines, the Airport Express Line, and the Tourist Cable Car Line, which consists of single line each, and the Light Rail Lines, which consist of 12 lines. These trains are huge, as you all might have known, and it isn't surprising that the 8-car metro is about 183 meters and carries approximately 1,800 passengers. Now, you must be wondering how many passengers are there in each car. The number of passengers, if the seats are equal in each car, would be 225. But since some of them are first class and have fewer seats than the others, there is an uneven number of seats. The average width of these machines is 3.38 meters in length, and the length is of the first and second car is around 26.5 meters, and the length of the cars of 2 and 6 between the 2 to the 6 car is around 25 meters. And despite its size, the metro travels between the speeds of 200 around the speed of 200 kilometers per hour or 120 miles per hour. Over to you, Kaya.
Thank you, Shinika. That was a brief idea about Hong Kong metros. But I'm sure this is relatable to everyone. You're just standing there in the metro waiting for your destination and checking the time on your watch. Have you ever wondered how the time to your location is estimated? Well, most of you might be clear with this, but the formula used is distance equal to time into speed. It takes about 48 minutes to travel from West Cologne station to Guangzhou, the distance being 130 kilometers. And due to this speed, there is an accuracy of 99.9% on time rate journeys of the Hong Kong Metro. But I'm really wondering, has the Hong Kong Metro ever had an achievement? In the year 2018, the metro became the most popular mode of transport in Hong Kong, with 49.4% market share of franchised public transport, which means that percentage of people prefer the metro. But how is all of this data recorded? This is where graphs come into play. There was an increase in the number of passengers boarding the metro from the years 1981 to the year 2014. In the year 1981, the number of passengers was 20 million, and in the year 2014, the passengers went up to 1 billion and 800 million. Math is a really huge part of our lives, as you have seen. Math can be used in everyday life activities like cooking. You don't want to add too much salt in your food, or swim in a huge pool with only 5 liters of water, or how many laps did you swim? This time in a pool that is full of water. Well, that is all we have for you all today. Last point but not least, any questions?